What if the thing God told you to do made you look crazy? Like when God's instruction feels random, uncomfortable, even embarrassing? In John 9, Jesus meets a man who's been blind since birth, no vision, no hope, no cure. And Jesus does something strange. He spits on the ground, makes mud, puts it on the man's eyes, and then says, "Go, wash in the pool of Siloam." Imagine being that man. You're already blind. Now you've got mud on your face, and Jesus doesn't even heal you on the spot. He tells you to walk like that in public, people staring, whispering, judging. It didn't make sense, but here's the key. He obeyed before he saw, and somewhere between the command and the water, his miracle was waiting. The wedding at Cana. At a wedding, they run out of wine. Social disaster, embarrassment. The party is about to collapse. Mary steps in, not with a plan, but with a statement. Do whatever he tells you. Jesus tells the servants, fill the jars with water, not wine, water, and not small jars either, massive stone containers, heavy, time-consuming, confusing. Imagine being one of those servants. You're thinking, how is this going to fix anything? This isn't strategy. This isn't logic. This feels like wasted effort. But Mary already knew something powerful. You don't need to understand the instruction if you trust the one who gave it. So they obeyed, and somewhere between the filling and the pouring, water became wine. Here's the truth. Obedience to God will sometimes make you look foolish before it makes you fruitful, because God doesn't ask for your understanding first. He asks for your trust. Ever felt like God told you to forgive someone who didn't apologize? Give when you barely have enough. Stay when it's easier to leave. Speak when it's safer to stay quiet. And everything in you is saying, this doesn't make sense. That's the moment most people walk away. But that's also the moment where miracles begin, because what looks like foolishness to people might be the very thing God uses to change your life. The blind man looked ridiculous until he could see. The servants looked confused until the miracle showed up. So yeah, it might feel stupid, it might look weird, it might not make sense, but if God said it, do it anyway. So here's the real question. What has God told you to do that you've been overthinking, and are you willing to obey, even if it makes you look foolish?